For the first few years of my trading, I consistently lost money until I discovered what I'm about to show you in this video. My name's Nick, I've been trading for 10 years and I've made over $500,000 in trading profits. And in this video, I'm going to reveal the things that I found that have changed me into a profitable trader from a losing trader. And the most common things holding back traders may actually surprise you. It's not discipline or trading psychology or even good technical analysis that makes great traders. What most traders are missing is a thoroughly tested and consistently profitable trading system. And most traders trade based on their gut feeling or what they heard on the television. But if you're making decisions on the fly and based on gut feeling, you're essentially gambling. Most traders that are working towards profitability know and understand that professionals utilize systematic trading, but quickly realize how much work it is to actually find something that consistently returns profits. To put things simply, there are three critical components that a trader needs in order to make consistent money from the markets. The three things they need are a statistical edge/entry and exit system, solid risk management to endure drawdowns, and a healthy level of discipline to consistently follow the system that they've built. In the modern world of AI, markets are evolving and both more accessible but also more competitive than ever. If you don't have the right systematic approach, you are very likely to get left behind. Most traders are able to figure out how to better size their trades and manage their trading emotions, but how do you find a winning system that creates more profit than losses? In the last 5 years, I've generated over $550,000 in trading profits at the time of recording through the use of a very simple yet thorough system that I've been building and perfecting over the last decade. Here's a look at my results. I'm up over 273.5% since March of 2020 when I created this public account. My total P&L is just over $550,000, and I primarily trade things like indices, commodities like gold, silver, stocks, and options. In the same period, the S&P 500 has returned about 170%. We've had bull markets and bear markets during this time. My max drawdown during this period was just over 30%, which was just very modestly higher than the S&P 500's max drawdown in 2022. Before we continue, please take a moment to review our disclaimer. I want to make sure I am very honest about these results that I've been able to produce in my own personal trading account. They came after years of hard work, and my initial investment was $50,000 in this account, with several additional deposits in the last few years. However, the overall profits on this account have exceeded, at the time of recording this video, $550,000 US. I think it is only fair that the system that I'm about to show you and the system that I use to help me find the trades that I do is not a holy grail or magic money printing machine. It is a tool that, when wielded correctly, can assist traders in finding better trading opportunities like it has done for me. Trading is very hard work, it's high risk, and it is very, very difficult to master. But I will be showing you in this video the scanning system that I use to find strong setups. So what is this magical system, Nick? While I'm not here to sell you a holy grail, the system that I've built works and it has results to prove it. My trading strategy is relatively straightforward. I look at things that drive the market the most and have a rigid checklist system that I'm going to talk about that ensures that I'm aligned with those powerful market forces. The best part about my trading system is that it is repeatable, consistent, and not some elaborate secret. The three primary things I look at: price momentum, market sentiment, and macro fundamental trends. And I know some of that sounds scary, but I have tools that automate the whole process. Here are the steps that I take to find the best opportunities that have helped me in generating these results. I use a software called the EdgeFinder, built by myself and my team behind the scenes here at A1 Trading over the last 10 years. This tool helps to scan fundamental data and market sentiment on a particular asset. It is the core basis for my trading strategy, helps me find my trades, and I use it in every single trade. The tool helps with specifically checking to see if an asset has strong institutional buying or selling, and if the crowd is getting overly bullish or bearish on something, potentially creating a contrarian indicator. It also tracks economic factors like jobs data, inflation statistics, and interest rate trends. Finally, it tracks technical data like price momentum and monthly seasonality to find potential trading opportunities. And the best part? The EdgeFinder scans all of this data and automatically generates bullish and bearish signals in our top setups algorithm. The tool is customizable to fit both swing traders and day traders, and we also have variations of the top setups for people who are more interested in tracking economic data, sentiment data, or the algorithm's full output through the top setups page. I also look for strong price trends on the asset in question, identifying key areas of support and waiting patiently for pullbacks. I enter with a relatively tight stop and look to aggressively trail stops as a trade moves in my direction. This allows me to maximize trades that are winners and minimize losses. As far as risk management goes, I keep my size small per individual trade, allowing me to keep drawdowns under relative control and not risk too much on one idea. I always wait for confirmation from the EdgeFinder with each trade that I place, as well as for price to come to me rather than chasing price. We have thousands of traders all over the world using my same system, the EdgeFinder, to help them identify better trading opportunities. And the best part is that there are numerous traders with provable results that are using the EdgeFinder every day to find better trades. For a limited time, we are offering our biggest discount sale price of the entire year. We just kicked off our Black Friday discount, which can save you hundreds of dollars on the scanner. And it's just a one-time payment to get your access set up. For a limited time, you can get 45% off the EdgeFinder with the information found in the first link in the description below this video. Use this link to send a message to our support team, letting them know you saw this video and that you're interested in the 45% off offer. Our team is standing by and can get you set up with access to the EdgeFinder for our lowest price of the year. Let's take a look at some reviews from clients all over the world using EdgeFinder. The EdgeFinder is a must-get. I think it's the best trading software to come out since TradingView.com. It's a good way to add fundamental analysis to your trading. I'm a swing trader that was only using technical setups. When it comes to fundamentals, I felt limited to online news articles that didn't help at all. Since using the EdgeFinder, I've seen my trading results improve exponentially. Now I'm seeing a 70 to 80% win rate and winning streaks. Congrats to Janar, and thanks for the review. Giancarlo also left us a review saying amazing software and customer service. Giancarlo says their software is honestly the best I found, not only for the value, but just for the capability of simplifying super complex indicators that I honestly wouldn't be able to just keep track of as a beginner at all. It was the missing key part for me to start making better investment decisions, and gratefully for me, profitability with my prop firm. And Charlie left us a review saying the EdgeFinder revolutionized my trading for 2025. I bought the EdgeFinder during the Black Friday sale, and I can already see the change it's making to my trading. It's not just about finding those consistent high quality setups, but also about keeping you out of messy fake out setups. If you want the data that actually drives the market, the EdgeFinder is what you need. Thanks, Charlie. If you feel like you're running in circles with your trading, there's a good chance a large part of it is because you lack a strong system to help find better trades. Whether you choose to get a copy of the EdgeFinder or not, this is genuinely the most common mistake I see traders making. If the EdgeFinder does sound like the right fit for you, don't miss your chance to take advantage of our significant discounts happening now. Thanks for listening.